Hey everybody, how you doing? I wanted to fill you in on a little trip we took to the Hoover Dam recently. It was a bucket list item for me, and I had the company of my amazing girlfriend to share it with. And I got some pictures here to show you what a great time we had, and some parts of the tour and everything. Hope you enjoy. Well, here we go. Let's drive across the dam first here. Check out the Nevada side from the Arizona side. This is a bucket list item for me, and I'm glad I'm able to take you along with me here. Each side has a clock for the respective states, Arizona and Nevada. The side on the right was closed for some security stuff, but all these doors that go to these openings are all solid brass. Pretty cool. There's a clock on the Arizona intake tower there. Look from the parking structure at the dam and the towers that carry the electricity away from the powerhouse. There's the powerhouse down there. Pretty impressive. You can't imagine how high it really is. There's a bunker that was used during World War II after the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor to protect the dam area. Another perspective from the viewing area, mezzanine level. You can tell I'm smiling, I'm having a good day. My beautiful girlfriend that joined me for the dam tour. And these are the elevators we took down. The bigger elevators were being worked on and we couldn't use them, so we had to use that elevator. They were at the powerhouse. Just incredible feat of engineering. There's the row of generators. The third one's missing. They're working on that, and I'll show you that in a second here, where they're refurbishing it. But the lights light up on the top when they're on. There was only two lit up. There's the generator, the inside of the generator, the rotor and everything, getting refurbished. Imagine the abuse they take. And the cranes above there, there's three of them. It takes two of these 300-ton cranes to lift one of those rotors out. It's 580 tons. The terrazzo work on the floors, the art is just incredible there. The metal work, really impressed. Took some pictures of these halls too to kind of give you a perspective just how massive it is. You can actually see the curve in the halls there. Kind of cool. That's some terrazzo artwork right in front of the elevator doors. There we go. Cord to 3 in Nevada. That's from the intake tower. Arizona time. We were walking across, and that's a plaque to commemorate the engineering marvel. That is the spillway on the Arizona side, or excuse me, the Nevada side. And there's the Arizona side spillway. Pretty impressive. The Memorial Plaza was getting a facelift while we were there too, repairing some of the terrazzo artwork on it and some of the other things. It was supposed to be finished January 2023. I think they're a little bit behind. It's now April. And the exhibition building, the old exhibition building, was not open either. Statues are pretty impressive. Gift shop even had Dam Monopoly and Dam Scrabble in there. This is one thing I wanted to see, is a dog that saved, who owned the dam. It was actually a dog that was befriended by all the workers and ended up dying on the job too. And he was buried right at the dam by all his human friends. There's a plaque to memorialize him. There's his grave. Those are the spillways, those holes coming out of the side of the rock there. Last time they were used was 1997. We'll probably never see them again in our lifetime, the way it's going. Appreciate you all coming along with on this damn tour. Hope you have a damn good day. Have a good day.